Squat's gotta fucking go.
It looks like now.
You. I mean, it's got a little bit of poke to it too. It's a little bit. It's enough. All right, that looks pretty good.
That looks really good.
I do actually really like that. It's giving me like Raptor vibes, to be honest.
Yeah.
They come out here and they just, whatever you need. Broke my damn neck driving down the road. Damn, I'm fucking with this. Will probably kick us out immediately. Finally getting rid of the Squat today. I'm really excited. Like a lot more excited than I should be. I'm spending like $20 a day on gas right now, and that's not what you want to do. Really, it's not good. $20 a day on gas is not the move, and I'm not exaggerating at all. So I pulled my truck in the shop today. Squat's gotta fucking go. It looks good, don't get me wrong, but it's time to go. I didn't even waste time filming it because I really wanted to make sure that I just got it done today. But the truck's not squatted anymore.
It looks like shit now.
Fuck do you mean? It looks like shit now.
Looks better.
Fuck you.
Looks better.
Thank you. See?
Squat, bitch.
It's got a little baby squat, like maybe an inch and a half when it sits like this. The main thing right now is I was going through about $20 a day in gas while it was squatted.
What's the saying? If you ain't scrubbing, you ain't trucking.
I still scrub like this.
Anybody say that?
I still scrub like this. The fuck do you mean? Honestly, I like cussing in the videos because I can blur it out. It's or not blur it out, but I can bleep it out. But what's funny is I always like cuss a bunch in the videos, and then I go back to edit and I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave it in there. So then I end up like fuck, and then I never bleep it out, so it just makes it funny.
Just bleep out that whole entire part.
I gotta bleep that one out because that one would be funny. Honestly, it'd be really funny if I only bleeped out certain ones. So then you know it's for for comedy. Because if I'm not bleeping out every cuss word, it's like, well, why are you bleeping some out but you're not the others? You know what I mean? So I like to cuss. That's just me. Truck's unsquatted, and I've got good news. The Saturn truck only needs an intake manifold gasket. That's literally best case scenario that we could have asked for. So while it's apart tomorrow and the rest of next week, or however long it takes us to do it, I think we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do spark plugs. We're gonna do a new belt. We're gonna do an air filter and recharge the AC, I believe. But that intake manifold gasket definitely got to go. And that's all it was. So the plan this upcoming week, we're gonna get that fixed. We're gonna throw the bed back on it. And then the Saturn truck, we're saying goodbye. Saturn truck's going down to Florida. My dad's gonna drive it, and we'll actually get a first look at the McGoy's drop shackles on there once the bed goes on there, because we haven't really gotten a full look at what it looks like without the bed on it. So I mean, it's definitely lower, but we don't know 100% what it looks like because we haven't had the opportunity to put the bed back on it. And I don't know what the deal is, but normally I'm parked over there. We moved the truck for like an hour, and somebody parked in my spot, so that's why we're kind of in the little unused dumpster area over here, which kind of sucks. But good news today for the Saturn build. We also ended up with some good news today on the Cat Eye build as well. It needed a throttle body, so the throttle body got put on, new throttle body position sensor. We did put the O2 sensor in, and then we've got a couple other small things we're gonna do with that as well. So all in all, last weekend sucked, but coming into early mid this week, we're definitely making some progress. Either this weekend or sometime next week, I'll drive back down to Florida and pick up the Cat Eye. And then I think he's gonna send somebody to trailer the Saturn down to Florida so I don't have to drive, because I'm still not 100% sure that will make it to Florida. I've never really taken this legally off the property here at the dealership, but I do know the Cat Eye runs and drives. He's actually been driving it to work for the last couple of days. So like I said, good news all around for all of the builds today. Silver truck, 2014, no more squat. Saturn, easy fix or semi-easy fix, and the Cat Eye is running and driving right now. Hell yeah. I gotta be honest. So I unsquatted my truck last night that you guys saw, and I don't understand how people actually drive around with like crazy squat. It must ride really, because my truck, I only had about this much travel on the shocks. And I can only imagine how bad, mine rode bad. The gas mileage was terrible. It rides stiff as hell. The steering feels stiff up front because of the angles. I don't understand how people ride around all the time with a crazy squatted truck. And maybe they don't. Maybe it's just for Instagram. Maybe it's just for show. But I'm beyond happy that I put my truck back level. One, I like how big it is. To me, the truck feels small while it's squatted, and I didn't really like that. And two, just overall, the truck feels like it has more power. Feels like it rides easier, if that makes sense. Like the truck is easier to drive. Like it's not trying as hard, if that makes sense to y'all. But just overall, definitely a better decision to keep the truck level as opposed to squatted. People like what they like, but definitely I'm a non-squatted truck person for sure. We got this little little taco spot right down the street from my job. Y'all are not fucking with this. Nobody is fucking with this right now. Marinated steak tacos, no one's fucking with this. I'm sorry. There's a little single cab over here behind GMC that we were looking at potentially getting as a parts truck, and we come over and there's this, holy shit. So I'm assuming like 2021 GMC.
It's the AT4.
GMC Yukon AT4. Some 22-inch fuels, some Toyo open country MTs. I mean, it's got a little bit of poke to it too. It's a little bit. It's enough.
Bro, he's got 5% tint on it.
It's enough. I don't know if this, I'm assuming this is probably somebody that works here. I would assume it's not a customer's car, but maybe it is. But how do y'all, I don't know how I feel about the front end. So being the AT4, it's got that smaller, more off-roady front end.
I'm in love with that.
I like it, but I don't at the same time.
Dude, look at it from right here. That's just,
all right, that looks pretty good.
that looks really
I do actually really like that. It's giving me like Raptor vibes, to be honest.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all. I love the red tow hooks too. I would lift the shit out of this thing. Like I really would. I would lift the hell out of this. I would make it huge.
Dude, it looks like he has the same tint you got. 5% all around.
That's probably at least 35 on the windshield. I think it is a customer's car. I see a tag on the front.
You think it's 35?
It's probably 35. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all fucking with the AT4? With the fuels? Damn, I don't know. I kind of like it. That front end's growing on me for sure. 100%.
What do you think's under the hood?
It might have a 6.2 in it. If I knew it wasn't potentially a worker's car, I would look more into it, but I kind of like it. Oh, shit, sorry. Sorry. I have no idea what to expect. It's Tahoe. Envoy. Man, they'll take anything. You think the trucks are more up front?
Maybe.
Trailblazer.
Couple OBS's.
So me and Thomas hopped in the truck this morning and decided we were gonna run down to the local pick and pull apart, you know, whatever the hell you call it. I got sunflower seeds in my mouth, by the way, so. I don't dip or any kind of tobacco product, so we decided we'd come out here and check the place out, really see if they had any like round body cat eye parts, to be honest. That's really the main goal today. Just kind of see what they got. I see some Tahoes, some OBS's, one or two round bodies. There's a bunch of Rams out here, bunch of Tahoes. See, there's a Tahoe, there's an OBS.
There are a lot of
I see a bunch of Fords too. There's a bunch of like the older body style Fords out here, like the 02, 03s. But
You gonna walk this way or this way? Oh wait, there you go, right there.
oh look,
Little round body.
our first round body of the day. Yeah, see, look, there's a Suburban up on the hill right there. We might have to go check that out. Really, I mean, any kind of interior parts, front end pieces, that kind of stuff. That's really what we're looking for. I'm surprised somebody hadn't taken this fender yet. That fender don't look that bad. I mean, it's got some scratches. Still got the heads on there, alternator.
Yeah, full motor still on there.
I think that's
Mess a couple belts.
yeah, it's a 5.3. Got the full intake housing on there. Look,
You need some new
BFG mud terrain over there. Okay, all right. Oh, look, they got the Yukon next to it. So the good thing about the Yukons being out here is we might be able to steal some like interior door panels or something. Not steal, but I mean, you know what I mean. You get my point, right? Damn, they trashed this thing.
This one has a 5.3 on it too.
Uh-oh. DJ Chris Style presents I Love R&B 3.
This whole interior's are
They come out here and they just, whatever you need, take it. That's the point, right? Pick and pull. They got every car you can think of.
Yeah, they literally do.
Every car you can think of.
Most of them seem like early 2000s.
Get you some wheels though. You need some 16s? No? Okay. Oh look, they got a Scottsdale. They just tear these damn things apart. Take it all. Take all of it. Take all of it. I'm gonna be the first to say that was a fail. And definitely,
Yeah.
there wasn't shit in there. Like zero. Like you'd have to spend all day out here just to find one thing that you maybe could spend money on. And honestly, the drive down that shitty road just to get here, that alone wasn't worth it.
You gotta go back over that too.
And we got to go back over it too, yeah. We only spent $2 to come in, so it really wasn't that bad. But I think if you can find stuff before it gets too torn up, maybe it's better. But places like this, I mean, it's better to look for parts trucks on Facebook Marketplace than it is to try and find shit like this. Little change of pace today. Me and Thomas have been searching around. Well, we've had some decent weather today. So, and my camera's all blurry and shit. We've had some decent weather, so me and Thomas spent about an hour. We finally found a golf course that we feel like will probably kick us out immediately.
Guys, that's a private property down there.
Okay. Thank you.
That lasted a whole 3 seconds.
Damn it.
Dude, I was so excited.
Literally, you can't make that up. We finally got rigged.
Did you film that?
Yeah, I did. Finally got some good weather. We're back to getting kicked out of golf courses, guys. He had to have been watching us. Because as I'm talking, filming, we're walking up, and you guys can't see it, but I'm looking forward, and the guy comes out from behind the fence, just perfect timing. And I knew as soon as I saw him, we were getting kicked out.
Oh yeah.
We didn't even make it out of the parking lot. Oh, do you think he saw us piss behind the dumpster? We both did take fat pisses behind the dumpsters over there. Hey, when you gotta pee, you gotta pee.
Dude, that lasted literally 3 seconds.
That's
tough.
highlight of my day right there, definitely. We probably weren't gonna catch shit down there anyway.
Took a piss on some guy's dumpster, we're gonna kicked out.
I think me and Thomas found the baddest Tahoe in Atlanta.
Yukon.
Baddest Yukon, actually. Yeah, it is a Yukon. God damn. We're going to have to get out and look at this. Hold on. Hold on.
That's gorgeous.
We were on the way to get something to eat and we saw this and I was like, God damn. Broke my damn neck driving down the road. Look at this thing. Damn, I'm fucking with this. We got the TCS lift kit under there. Okay. We got, see, I thought 26s from the road. Thomas said 24, so you were right. 24s on a 37 1350 though. Damn, that's clean. So that's probably at least sitting at like, damn, it's got to be at least 10, 11.
Turned all the way up.
That might be 12 inches though.
Angle,
That might be 12 inches. Yukon SLT.
It's a
TCF lift kit. He's got some aftermarket upper control arms on it. I'm gonna follow him on Instagram, gfox19. And what y'all think? Fox, oh, he's got the dual reservoirs Fox on the back. I mean, his name is G Fox, so makes sense, right? Damn. Dude, what y'all think though?
Things about this tire shred.
What, the amps? JW was running the amps for a while.
Yeah, he was running them all with the Duramax.
Yeah, he had them on the Duramax. Yeah, he said he liked them. I don't know. To me, the Yukons, big and lifted, or just Tahoes in general, I love them so much. And I think, to be honest, I think the squat looks better on the Tahoes and the Yukons than the Silverados do. I think for whatever reason, the squat, it looks a lot better on these.
It's something about the SUV body style. I mean, think about it. That rear axle is so close to the back.
I think that's part of it, is you got such a little space there. It looks good. It really does. And we've been seeing this truck ride around a lot, so I think we were riding down the road going to get something to eat, and we saw it. We had to come back by and see it. So gfox19, I love the truck. Shit looks really good. Damn, might be one of the best looking Tahoes in Atlanta right now. I keep saying Tahoe, but it's a Yukon. Got me all fucked up over here. Shit looks good though. Hell yeah.
Yo, imagine if we were out here and all of a sudden this big bash just comes flopping down the stairs.
We're still on a mission to catch a fish today. And me and Thomas, we found this. So this normal spot that we go fishing is up above the road on the other side. And we decided to come check this side out today. And we actually found a pretty cool little spot to come fishing at. Now, I don't know if there's actually any fish down here or in the creek or anything like that, but I mean, regardless, still a pretty cool spot.
Maybe there's a fish in there.
That's what I'm talking about.